In Puerto Rico, there is not a corner that does not have the potential to be a paradise. Greetings, I'm Stacy McAllen, and I welcome you to this virtual tour of this new proposal by Luis Daniel Rivera. On this occasion, we move to the eastern area of the island, but not to the coastal area, but to one of the highest enclaves of the municipality of Ceiba, the Machos and Saco neighborhood. From this enclave where the Airbnb Villa Lala is located, it is the setting for the following proposal. Villa del Bosque is the new villa that Villa Lala Corp will be developing to present its guests with a totally unique and different new experience within the short-term rental market, or what is traditionally known as Airbnb. On this occasion, contrary to the scene of the first villa, this will have as its main setting the Yungay, the national rainforest of Puerto Rico. The biggest challenge of this villa is the client's request that it be completely open in terms of visibility to the outside, since for the client, the scenic beauty has to be appreciated from every corner of this villa, which will count with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, terrace, outdoor kitchen, and pool area. The material to be used in this project is the structural concrete insulated panel, which is worked in Puerto Rico, in coordination with Ecologica Carmelo, Inc. The challenge is enormous, since this residence will have over 75% of its walls in glass to guarantee visual communication with the exterior. So the structural design will be key to the success of this town. For this proposal, Luis Daniel Rivera tried to translate into his proposal the abstract idea that the owners of this inn have for this villa, the third that will be carried out in Villa Lala Corp. For this project, Luis Daniel will have what has been the team of contractors with whom he has successfully worked on several projects of this type. Let Construction, Inc., owned by Mr. Edgardo Villegas, who together with Ecologica Carmelo and JR Site Construction Corp. will be in charge of the execution of the construction work at Villa del Bosque. One of the biggest challenges of working in this area is the high level of precipitation caused largely by the proximity to the rainforest, since the rain factor is very determining for the execution of this project. Luis Daniel, faced with the challenge of building a residence with the greatest possible transparency, accepted the challenge and developed this proposal where 75% of its exterior walls are literally glass, and that together with the structural flexibility provided by structural concrete insulated panel allowed him to develop this proposal that you are about to witness. For this occasion, contrary to the presentations that we have made in previous proposals, in this one we are only going to allow you to be the ones who can appreciate the route and can perceive and experience the sensation that it feels like to tour the Villa del Bosque. The time to develop Villa del Bosque was somewhat intense, since designing a house that has total transparency towards the exterior requires not only a structural challenge, but a functional challenge where the result has a harmony and spatial interrelation that allows a logical circulation and that it has a feeling of tranquility and comfort. One of Luis Daniel Rivera's challenges for this design, in addition to meeting the client's expectations, was to create a space that would compensate for the panoramic appeal that the main villa has, from where you can see a monumental scenic paradise of the east coast of the island. In this villa, the scenic setting is literally wooded and hence the name Villa del Bosque. In this proposal, Luis Daniel maximizes all visual opportunities outside and does not waste any opportunity in doing so. Villa del Bosque, Luis Daniel Rivera's proposal for the third villa of Villa Lala Corp. In the Machos Huaysaco neighborhood of the municipality of Ceiba, certainly one of the most challenging proposals in terms of architectural composition. Since over 75% of the exterior walls are glass, and this required an analysis beyond the architecture to achieve transparency and interaction with the scenic environment that surrounds it. Stacy McAllen, thank you for accompanying me on this tour through Villa del Bosque, the third villa of Villa Lala Corp. We hope that you have liked the result of this proposal and feel free to express your comments and opinions regarding to the result of this design. See you in the next phase, the restaurant. Bye-bye.